This isn't magic. It's the 2D to 3D parallax. It's the secret sauce behind every cinematic documentary and high-end music video. And you can build it in CapCut in under a minute. I have created some AI images from the AI media. I want a more focused object, so I'm going to create again. Choose AI image and type your prompt in the text box. When the prompt is ready, click on the Generate button. Then the generation process will start, and it's going to take some time. When the process is completed, the image will appear on the top right side. Add this image to the timeline by clicking on it and preview it. You can download this image as well. Now that looks fine. Let's animate it. Click on the Video Basic tab and head over to AI Remove. Choose the brush tool and highlight the area on the object that you want to remove. When you're done with the highlighting process, click on Remove. The removing process also takes some time. When the object is removed, click on three lines on the top right side of the player and choose Export Still Frames. Choose a resolution for it and press the Export button. Head over to AI Media again and add the image to the timeline. Now go to Remove BG under the Video Basic tab and select the Auto Removal option to remove its background. Import the background that we saved earlier. Drag the background to the timeline. Place it under the object and match their durations. Now animate these images one by one. Select the background and go to the Video Basic menu and add a transform keyframe to its initial position. Afterwards, move the playhead to the end of the clip and increase its scale to 114%. The keyframe will be created automatically. Now select the upper clip and go to the Video Basic menu and add an initial keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the video and increase its scale to around 125%. Head over to the Filters tab and search for the Play Pendulum effect. Drag and drop this effect onto the background. Then decrease its sliders such as strength to 2, twist to 6, and speed to around 10. After this, apply this effect on the upper layer and make the same settings for it. Now search for the spark effect and then drag and drop this effect onto the background. And there you have it. You have created a parallax effect successfully. I'd love to hear your take on this. Do you agree with what I said, or do you have a different method? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.